हेलो बच्चों, द क्वेश्चन इज द एलिमेंट्री कैनाल इन अर्थवर्म इज अ स्ट्रेट ट्यूब एक्सटेंडिंग फ्रॉम ब्लैंक सेगमेंट टू ब्लैंक सेगमेंट. So earthworm में there is complete digestive system. It means the alimentary canal is having two openings, and these two openings are the mouth and anus respectively. Mouth for ingestion means intake of food, and anus is for egestion or the excretion of undigested food. So अगर हम earthworm के alimentary canal की बात करें, so it is very long tube, it is straight tube and it is of variable diameter. It means कहीं से ये चौड़ी है, कहीं से it is narrow, so it is of variable diameter and there are several parts of it. So this tube extends from the first segment, from the very first segment जहाँ mouth present होगा, and the last segment जहाँ पे anus present होगा. So from first segment to the last segment means throughout the length of body alimentary canal extend करती है. तो parts अगर हम देखें, so there will be the mouth which is present in the first segment. So mouth से आगे you will find the buccal cavity, then a pharynx. So this is buccal cavity, this is the pharynx. From pharynx there will be a long esophagus, so this one is esophagus. Then from esophagus there will be a region जिसको हम कहते हैं gizzard for the grinding of food, so this one is gizzard. Then from gizzard there will be stomach, so this one is the stomach. Then stomach opens into the intestine, so this is intestine which is broad. Then intestine has two projections like this, these are the intestinal cecum, and then it opens to outside through anus. So इस तरह से एक बहुत ही straight सी ट्यूब है और ये first segment से शुरू होती है और last segment तक extend करती है. So first segment में you will find the mouth और last segment में you will find the anus. So the alimentary canal in earthworm is a straight tube. It extends from first segment to the last segment. So the right answer of this question is option D. Thank you.